Good day, everybody. We have been given a beautiful question. Foremost, let me draw the circle. Okay, so you got the points A, P, C, D. You got the center, and E, F, there's a tangent there, and G, and this is 90. This is given to be as 90. It's also given that AE is equal to ED, and this length is 8 units. This entire length is 12 units, right? Now we are expected to find the area of this region. Okay. Now, foremost, what I wish to do is, this is a trapezoid, and we are expected, as I mentioned to you, to find the area of this region. Now, what I wish to do is, foremost, I would love to find the height of the trapezoid. So we need to find the height of the trapezoid, right? Now the area of the trapezoid is half times base 1 plus base 2 multiplied with height. That is the area of the trapezoid. Now the question does not want us to find the area of the trapezoid, but it wants us to find the area of this shaded region. But for anything else, no matter what it is, we need to find the height. We need to find the height. Okay? So for that, what I wish to do is, I would like to drop a perpendicular. From B, I am dropping a perpendicular, so this is 90 degrees. I am going to take this entire length as h. I am going to take this length as h. So this is the height, this is the slant height. Now clearly you can see that. We see that the quadrilateral is tangential to the circle, right? Now since this is the case, we would use the Pitot theorem. Now what is Pitot's theorem? According to Pitot theorems, if the quadrilateral is tangential to the circle, then the sum of the opposite sides are equal. So what is the meaning of this? The sum of the opposite sides, I have taken this as h and x. So h positive x is equal to 8 positive 12, right? So this would mean h positive x is equal to 20. So I am taking this as equation 1. Now since B H C is a right triangle, but we can use Pythagoras, right? By Pythagoras theorem, we get, what do we get? B h squared plus hc squared is equal to bc squared. This is x squared hc. Now we have dropped a perpendicular. Now this AB is 8, so DH is equal to AB. So you can write that down. Since AB is equal to DH is equal to 8, so this is going to be 8 and this is going to be 4. HC is equal to 4. So 4 squared plus BH is h squared, right? So this would mean HC is equal to 4. That's exactly what I want to write there. Now I take this as 2 using 1 in 2 we get. So what do we get? From here I can write x is equal to 20 negative h, right? Substitute that over there. So this is h squared plus 4 squared is equal to 20 negative h the whole square. I'm going to the next page. So this is going to be, therefore 2 is going to be, as I mentioned, h squared plus 4 squared is equal to 20 negative h squared. You expand this, 20 squared negative 40 times h plus h squared. Over here h squared plus 16. So h squared gets cancelled. I can move 40h to this side, and 20 squared is 400. I move 16 to this side, so negative 16. So you get 400 minus 16, 10, 4, 9, you take away 1, you get 8, and this is going to be 3. So 40h is 384. So therefore h is equal to excuse me, 384 divided by 4 divides here 10 times, 4 divides here, 9 4s are 36, 6 times, so h is equal to 9.6. Now take this out, h is equal to 9.6. Now you can also find the slant height, but that is not needed. Now what I wish to do is, clearly it is given, so this value of h is 9.6, right? Now it's given that AE is equal to ED, so that means if I were to divide h by 2, that would be equal to ED, right? So therefore ED is equal to 9.6 divided by 2, which is 4.8. So this height is 4.8. Now if I were to draw a perpendicular, or I should say draw a line from the center to the tangent, right? I'm drawing a line from the center to the tangent, and that by tangent theorem it would make an angle of 90 degree. Now this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Now what I wish to do is I would like to draw another line from the center to the tangent at G, right? Now this is going to be making 90 degrees. Now this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, that's 390 is 270. Now sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360, so this is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, so what have we got? We got a square, and I know that all the sides of a square are going to be equal. I have got this as 4.8, so this is 4.8, this is 4.8, and this is 4.8, right? So what is the area of this square? Let me write that down. Therefore area of EOGD, what is the area equal to? It's nothing but side into side, and I know one side to be 4.8, right? So this is going to be 4.8 times 4.8, which is equal to 4.8 squared. So we got that 4.8 squared. Now I want this region, but what is this? This is nothing but the quarter circle. So I need to get the area of this quarter circle, EOG. Now area of quarter circle is equal to pi r square divided by 4. Now from the center to the tangent it's 4.8, so that's nothing but the radius, right? So you get pi times 4.8 raised to the power of 2 divided by 4. So therefore area of the shaded region, so what is the area of the shaded region, is equal to area of the square from the area of the square you take away area of the quarter circle minus area of the quarter circle, right? So area of the square 4.8 square minus area of the quarter circle pi times 4.8 squared divided by 4. Now 4.8 squared, 4.8 squared, I can take that out. So 4.8 squared is taken out. I get 1 negative pi over 4. So this is nothing but 4.8 squared times 4 minus pi divided by 4. Now I'm going to use this part. Now what is pi? I'm taking pi is approximately 3.14, right? So that would mean I can now rewrite this is equal to 4.8 squared 4 negative 3.14 divided by 4, right? So from 4 I take away 3.14, 10. 6 from 9 you take away 1, you get 8. So 0.86. So 0.86 divided by 4 times 4.8 squared. So 4 divides here 2 times and 4 divides here once and 2, and that's going to be 5, right? Okay. So 0.215 multiplied with 4.8 squared. So let me multiply 4.8. 8 8s are 64, 6, 32, 38, 8 4s are 32, 3, 16, 19, 4, 10, 1, 10, 3 and 1, 2. So this is 23.04 multiplied with 0. So you can use your calculator or you can simply multiply like I do. I will multiply 215 with 2304, right? 5 4s are 22, bring this to 5 3s are 15, 1, 5 2s are 10, 11, 4, 0, 3, 2, 8, 0, 6, 4, right? So 4.9536, so 4.95360. So therefore the area of the shaded region is approximately 4.95360 square units. So that is the end of this particular question. Thank you everybody. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Good night.